In this guide, you'll learn how to fix Reset Face ID grayed out. First, launch your settings. Now scroll down and head over to the option screen time. Now scroll down and navigate to the option content and privacy restriction. You can completely turn off this option or scroll all the way down. Head over to this section, allow changes to, click on passcode and face ID and make sure you have checked for the option allow. With this, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is head back. Now click on the option face ID and passcode. You'll be prompted to enter your passcode, type in that and you'll be directed to this page. Now you can check whether your problem has been fixed or not. If not, next thing you want to do is head back. Go to the main page of settings, click on privacy and security, scroll all the way down until you find the option stolen device protection. Once you find it, launch it. Now make sure you have disabled for this option. The security feature prevents a stolen iPhone from being tampered with. Once stolen device protection is disabled, return to Face ID and passcode and you'll see that the Reset Face ID button is now active, allowing you to set up a new Face ID. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.